Alright, we did a project called the grenade cam. It doesn't blow up or anything, but we had a project. The idea was to have a camera in a little ball or something to where you could throw it into a room or a building and be able to have a camera inside the ball that would pan around the room so you could see what was in the room or the building before you just charged in there and went into a dangerous situation. And it would be for like police, law enforcement, emergency personnel, or even the military. And
we originally were going to try to use this, the MSP 430 RF 2500, and this has wireless capabilities. We had the wireless working for a bit, but then it just wasn't working for our application and we ran out of time. So we ended up doing something like this to kind of give an idea. We ended up using a MSP 430 chip. As you can see right here, we made a PC board, and just on the chip we programmed it to be able to control the servo here with the wireless, using a wireless camera. And so just using the joystick you can move it back and forth. And this is definitely like the first prototype of many that we would probably do to try to get this project to work, because in the end we want it to be encapsulated in a ball and have our chip be that size, a lot smaller. And so
so ideally these two wires right here, these would be what would be the wireless part of this, and that way this whole thing can be all on its own. We'd have a smaller servo, and we would have maybe a smaller camera or something to where it would be really compact. And we really wanted to make this cheap, and so that way you could throw a few of them in a room and be able to lose them, or if they broke or whatever, we wouldn't have to worry too much. We wouldn't waste thousands and thousands of dollars.
The whole setup with the RF 2500 and the camera and everything would probably be around $70 to $100. So it wouldn't be super expensive and super pricey, so it would be pretty reusable and pretty easy to come by. So this is a prototype for the grenade cam with Kyle Urudia and Jared Barrett and Kyle Hastings. Thank you.